chat for it. And again, I say hello for new attendants, and we have a last chapter, short frame. I think it will be short frame about iRidium panel P7. And again, webinar rules. Write question about along the way. Answer will be given at the end of each block. The duration of this block will be less than 30 minutes, but we will have a discussion in QA session. The webinar will be recorded, of course, but again, the question QA session will be online only. It will be not available in the record. And for all questions, please contact us at contact@iridiummobile.ru. Okay, what is the iRidium panel? I hope here you can see this. And of course, we have it in our website. You can use our landing page, products, iRidium panel. Yes, here we have a material about it, some points of view, some video, etc., etc. But today we will discuss some things, some questions about real equipment. The first one, it's about methods to control edge lighting. Here we have edge lighting, some LED, like on my presentation. I just will use, and here I have a project for example, and this project we have on our website, how we can check it. And again, we have a changelog. Oh, we have a documentation, products, iRidium equipment, iRidium panel 7. And here we have example, iRidium Pro example for control of lights, of the lights. Here, example. And I have it in our iRidium Studio. And as you can see, it's a very simple script, very simple. And now I can control the LED. For example, here I have a blue, as you can see, blue, red, green, etc. We have 7 different colors, and of course it will be as off. It's about methods. Another one, a way to control the screensaver. Well, of course, we want to work with this application always. Well, but it will be not a good solution for the screen because some brightness will be not so good for the screen, and with the I mean about lifetime for the screen. And of course, we will use a screensaver. And as you can see, the light is off, but actually, when I touch the screen, the panel is turned on. It's very simple things. And of course, it's with a project here, backlight, here screensaver, just a token in our variable bright, and you can use it in your project. Another one, installing third party. Oh, it will be the things about what is the kiosk-mode. For now, if you will have here, we have a different buttons, sensor buttons. By default, this application installed in launcher mode. We have 2 different modes. Launcher mode. It means that if I will try to change this application to another one, this application will be started again. It means if I will turn off the power, after restarting, this panel will be started with this application, with our application. Or I can use kiosk mode, kiosk on. It can be used in our application. And after that, as you can see, we haven't additional buttons. It means that I can't change the application. Application always runs here. Kiosk off. And now I have some control. And of course, it's a second question about installing third-party APK files. I can change my launcher mode. Just use applications, settings, and for now, here we have a home app i3 Pro kiosk. It's available for i3 KNX too. And I can use a standard launcher. It's okay. And now, just restart. And for now, I can use, yes, for now I have a launcher. And it means that I can use any APK file here because it's a common Android 7. I can use different cases, different approach. Okay, one more thing, one more important thing. And again, in our panel, we haven't Google Play service. It means that you can't use it with a push notification, unfortunately. And it means that you can install any APK files. But if you haven't this APK, I mean, if you have an application in the App Store only, of course, you can't install it without pre-downloaded application.